Hey, welcome to my yoga mat. I am going to present a very short exercise today that is incredible for kidney-adrenal area regeneration and also upper hip pain on either side. Why the lens is that it's going to be really helpful and useful. There are upgrades happening with humanity's general fight or flight mechanism, which is adrenals, and then also preparation of energies, kidneys. So bringing toning to them is actually really profound right at this moment. Really important for me to mention, if you are suffering extreme and chronic kidney ailment, that I have a different video that's going to give you a lot of assistance, support, and the link is below. Back to this session. So if you can get yourself to sit in what we call in yoga Swastic-Asan, which is an original ancient symbol, thousands of years old from Vedic origin. It's a symbol of directional flow. And at this point, we're using the legs, establishing directional flow. One is in front, one is at the side. And what I've got going on here is that I want the front leg, the lower part of the leg, to be parallel to my body. So I don't want the leg to be skew forward or back. I want it to be, let me see if I can get it to look right on the camera, parallel to my body. And what you want to do is to take your time and really just slowly, as you're breathing and you're relaxing, you allow both bum cheeks to sink properly down, and you allow them to really sit, and you let all the strain come out. And what you're going to be doing is you're going to be going slowly and very slowly, leaning forward. If you're more flexible, you can go flat down on your leg, but you don't kind of want to get into an uncomfortable position and then feel strain. You want to really take your time in going down. I'm not going to go down all the way on this leg. You can see how I'm also just using my hands here on my legs and on the floor, and I'm trying to orientate my belly to, let's say my belly button, to always be center of my leg. So I'm continuously shifting and reorientating my body to align across over that leg. And you're breathing very slowly, taking about 5 minutes to slide down to a position that it will be increasingly comfortable as you'll drop. Maybe you'll drop a bit more, maybe you'll drop a bit more, maybe you'll drop a bit more. And then the same amount of time it took you to go down, you want to really think about mirroring that as you take the body back up to neutral very, very, very slowly. And you're going to sit there and really let the body center and ground itself into that position. What's happening is that you are stretching one by one really beautifully and in a supported way on this whole kind of kidney adrenal upper hip area. This is toning on whole combination through the nervous system and giving the body a lot of support. So if you've done the one side, you're going to switch over and do it on the other side. It's the same story, where you want to have that front leg kind of parallel to where your body is, but also you want that front part of the leg in front of your body. You don't want it too much to the side or away. You want to really align yourself there and allow the bum cheeks to really sit down. And as the bum cheeks are sitting down, you're relaxing more and more and more and more and deeper into the posture. And as you feel comfortable to, you can slowly start to lean forward. And you just take it really slow and easy with this forward lean. If you're coming down and your body is quite flexible, it's really nice to give your head some support to relax the upper vertebra. On your passage down, your back will relax more if your head is cradled. You're continuously working to align your belly button in a line like a T-junction to that leg. So you're continuously working on your alignment as you're coming down. And you're not stretching down, you're just relaxing. If your body falls, it's correct. If your body is strained, then you would come up a notch. And you can relax and breathe as long as it's comfortable and you're enjoying yourself. Come up really, really, really slowly. Same story as the other side. And really center and ground in that Swastic-Asan. So you've circulated the energy on one side and you've paid a big particular attention to kidneys, adrenal and upper hip. And then you've mirrored it also on the other side, allowing the energy to circulate that way. And so achieve wonderful balance and support for your body.